Hey guys and gals, Vlad here with AVT, and today I've got a quick demo video for you of our Fender Eliminator kit for the Benelli TNT-135. Let's check it out. So to begin with, what separates us from the rest of the Fender Eliminator pack? All of our Fender Eliminators use OEM connectors. What does that mean for you? That means there's no cutting wires, no splicing or anything like that. You just simply plug them into your OEM harnesses without any modification to your bike. They just bolt right up. The bracket for our Fender Eliminator is precision cut out of aircraft grade aluminum. It is powder coated for a long-lasting finish and proudly made in the United States. So in conclusion, of course, we firmly believe that this is the best Fender Eliminator kit on the market. It's made in the United States, it uses great components, it's totally plug and play, it doesn't require any modifications to your bike. But you know what, guys and gals, the thing is, the Fender Eliminator kit is the small portion of your bike. You know, just make sure you're riding safe out there and have fun riding.